Hi guys, sitting in the car, Nanny's visiting her friend, and it was heavy rain. Now that I've set the car up with the camera on the tripod and that, the sun's come out, so it might get too hot to sit here. Oh, we'll see. Anyway, the question is, what should we do? We got some Lego clones here, or block sets, block tech they call themselves. Digger, fire engine, rooster, sheep. And then we got some wooden kits. We got a deer and another deer, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, Parasaurolophus, and a grey wolf. I might save the deer for a little bit later in the year, nearer Christmas. That would be sensible. Christmas decorations. I have done so many dinosaurs. These are laser cut, so they should go together nicely. Grey wolf. That one's not laser cut, that's stamped. I think we might do the grey wolf. See how long it takes. The only thing I haven't done is put a cover down to catch all the little bits of wood that flake off. Only 2 sheets. Bit of sandpaper. It'll be the usual, I assume. Start at number 1 and work your way around. Having said that, number 1 doesn't look particularly interesting. 1, 2, 3. Seven. Yeah, he looks rather nice. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.